Okay, guys, so let's go to the third part. So I think this would be one of the lesser complex ones compared to the previous. So here we have added the students to the database. Now let's say if you want to see all the students registered, um, we can actually have a UI for that. So always, what I would do is I would always start with the database and then create UI and then build a logic on top of it. So this is how the flow goes when I work on. So as of this particular requirement, we do not need a database because we already created the student database and we're gonna pull the data from that database. So since we do not have the database for this, we're gonna just start with the UI. So let's create the UI. So let's create file and let's say I'm gonna say like all, just let's have some simple names here. So all students. Okay, all is done. So I've already created a table here. So this is all the logic we need. So so that's it. So let me open and close this. Fine. Yeah. So you have a table and you have a body here. So our data or the logic would send students as a list, and basically we gonna use a for loop to iterate those values and display the details. So now this is set. So now let's go to URLs. Let's say if the user says all, then we're gonna redirect to get all students. So now let's add this get all students logic in our views. Okay, so now coming back down, so already created this details over here. So here, so this is similar to the previous one here. So here we're just capturing the length, but here we are capturing the all the details, and then we're gonna send it to the students. And do notice the students over here. And also, I forgot to mention the template name should always match the template name what you have here. So the students should match the students here. Yeah. So now let's see how it goes. So let's go to run server. Okay, so let's click on this. Home, let's say slash all ALL. So as you can see, there's two students which are added. Okay, so yep, that would be it. That's how we are able to pull the data from the database. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video.